everyone, this is Lily. Welcome to Flyeragro. This tractor is 75 horsepower tractor, one of our most popular tractors. It is equipped with front end loader, 4-in-1 buckets. And you can also change these buckets to other attachments like pallet forks, grass grab. Look at the hydraulic tanks. And the front axle we use strengthen. We strengthen the front axle because when the tractor are equipped with front end loader, the width of the front is very high, so need a big and strength axle. Okay, look at the rear balanced width. We also equipped with hydraulic assistant tank, or for hydraulic oil for front end loader. Look at this hydraulic outputs. 3-point linkage, swing bar, and quick hitch equipment. Yes. Okay, let's see the inside of the cabin. It is with air conditioning and comfortable spring seat. Look at the tank. We customize some tank when the tractor are equipped with front end loader. Also, the air filter are inside. Okay, the tractor price is about 10,500, and the price for this front end loader is about 2,500. 4-in-1 bucket. Okay, if you are interested, kindly send us an inquiry and you can contact us. Okay.